Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Cuisine. You can see I got the Weber kettle up, it's going, and there's smoke coming out of it. That means we're cooking on it today. Anyways, I've got some hamburgers I'm cooking up for you. We are going to do a deer meat and bacon burger, and we're going to use some Colby Jack cheese on top of that with some lovely sliced tomatoes and spinach. So stick around and let's see how we can put this burger together. See if we get these patties put together. I have got about 1.5 pounds of deer meat, and it is mixed with bacon. So we took our deer meat, ground it up, and we put it with some ground up bacon. So we've got, I'd say about a 85-15, maybe 80-20 mix of our deer meat and our bacon. It's going to give us some really nice flavor in these beef patties. I tell you, there was enough meat here, I think, for 4 patties. So we're going to mix in 4. And I'm just coating this liberally with some Fiesta brand steakhouse rub. It's very good. Very good seasoning. We're just going to mix this well into our deer meat and bacon. I did add 1 egg to this to help it throw a little moisture into it. We do have that bacon in there, but I thought an egg may not hurt it any at all to add an egg in there. So I'm going to just eyeball it again. We're going to go about halfway of each one of our halves. I'm not packing these real tight. I want them to be nice and kind of loose. That way they're not so dense when we go to eat them. And they're going to cook up real nice. Those look real pretty. Let me check my grill, see if it's hot enough, and if this Weber's ready, we're going to get these patties on it. I think our kettle's good and hot. Let's see if it is, and if so, we'll get these patties on it. Get the lid off here. Have my grill oiled real well. Pick up this patty, and we seasoned it with some steak seasoning before it went on. So we're just going to drop that on an oiled grill. Once again, this is 2/3, 1/3, so it's a little cooler over there. 2 of these are going to start off a little hotter than the other 2. Oh, that fell apart on me. See if we can get it back together. If you're worried about that, you can always set these in the freezer. Part of that's because of the egg. But you can put these back in the freezer and let them stiffen up a little bit. And also, if you remember, I did not pack these very tight. And deer meat's a little bit lean, so not a lot of fat in there. Fat's what holds your patties together. Just gonna let these cook up some. We'll go about 4 minutes on this side, and then we'll flip them over. About 4.5 minutes in, I'm gonna see if I can flip these. We turn loose good, so they ought to be ready to turn. Yep, there we go. That one's good. That looks pretty. Oh, broke that one in half. Not in half, but broke the edge off. Let them go about 5 minutes on this side, get them up to that 155 degrees, and I bet you they're going to be just perfect. We get the close up here in a second. You're going to see I broke one of these burgers trying to just turn it over and see how it looked. But the got a little, probably too much egg in there and not a whole lot of fat. So when you do that, these burgers have a harder time staying together. But I bet you it's still going to have a lot of good flavor on it. I'm going to put some Colby Jack cheese on there. So let's put those up on top. And I think I'm going to be generous tonight. Give everybody 2 slices of cheese. Set the lid on it. That'll help get some heat on the top. Melt that cheese. We'll get them off and we're going to make some hamburgers. Get this one uncovered. Oh yeah, cheese is melted up good. See if we can get these off the fire. Gotta be careful with this one. It's the one that was falling apart on me. And again, you can see these patties are turning loose when I pick them up. They are not stuck to this grill. That's a good sign. That means they're done. Let me get my buns. We're going to toast those up just a little bit. I'll throw these on here just for a minute. It's a good hot fire. It won't take very long. Let's turn these over real quick. Oh yeah, got a good toast on those. That one's looking good. I can live with that one. That one go just a little bit longer. Let's pick these up. And that fire is hot if anybody asks you. Let's go take one of these sesame seed buns. Everybody knows, if y'all watch many of my videos, I love sesame seed buns. It's my favorite to put on a burger. Nice good French's mustard. Top and bottom. Spread that a little bit. Family's starting to show up. They're smelling cooked burgers. So they are coming around. There's one of my nice venison burgers up on top of my toasted bun. And let me get the condiments we're going to put on it. Let's see, what are we going to put with it? Mustard. I've got the deer meat with our Fiesta brand steak rub. I'm going to add some nice slices of onion on here. Not a whole lot. Put that on there. Beautiful red tomato. And then I am going to use some baby leaf spinach to go on top of that. I think that's really just going to set this venison burger off. That's looking pretty. We're going to go one up on top. That one's together. Let me get the other ones together for the family, and we'll show you what the insides of these look like and how they taste. We got these burgers made. Let's slice one in half now. Let's give these a slice, see how they turned out. Move that one to the side. Open this one up for you. Let you see it. That is a pretty, pretty hamburger. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. That's a pretty one. That is an excellent, it's a good hamburger. I'll tell you what, I like that one real well. Now I'll tell you, if you don't have deer meat, make this with hamburger. It still is a great, great burger. Put your little egg in there for moisture if you want to. Melt the cheese on there. And try spinach instead of lettuce. I tell you what, I usually don't use iceberg lettuce. Y'all see me all the time using green leaf lettuce. Today we have some spinach. I thought that would go great with this venison. And sure enough, it did. A great tasting burger. Very flavorful. That egg gave me the moisture we wanted. Didn't hold it together because a little bit because of the egg, a little bit because of the low fat content. But that bacon ground up with the hamburger meat did add another great dimension of flavor. So it came out good. My Fiesta brand steak rub, all that worked together to make an excellent hamburger. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you'll give it a try, and if you do, let me know about it. One thing I'd like you to do is go down there and put a comment. Let me know what you think about the type of meals I'm putting out. Give me some ideas of what you'd like to see me do. If you want me to see me do more hamburgers, more barbecue, more Dutch oven, whatever it may be, go down there, let me know so I can put out videos that y'all want to see. Because ideally, that's what we're here for, is to teach y'all different ways of cooking, different things, to give you some different ideas and different recipes. So thanks for stopping by. Tell your friends and family about us. Remember, share us on your social media, and we're going to see you down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.